ORKG for Computer Science: How to Create a Benchmark. ORKG benchmarks organize state-of-the-art research and compare results across different methods. In this video, this is the benchmark we're going to create. First, make sure you are signed in. We will add 3 papers to our benchmark. In this example, the papers are already added to the ORKG. First, make sure the paper is assigned to the Computer Sciences research field. Now we will edit the paper and add a new contribution. Benchmarks consist of several properties: a model, dataset, and evaluation data. These properties are automatically added when we select the leaderboard template. As you can see, several properties are automatically added. All we have to do now is fill out the data. First, we select the dataset. Then we enter evaluation data, a value and a metric. Now we go back to the root of our contribution and add some more data. We add a model and we add a link to the source code. Finally, we add the research problem. This should be the same problem for all the papers displayed in our benchmark. We are done with this paper. We repeat these steps for 2 more papers, which are then also displayed in the same benchmark page. Now we will add data for 1 more paper. We added benchmark data for 3 papers. Let's have a look at the result. The benchmark is listed on this page. The plot contains data from the 3 papers we just described. That's it. We have created an ORKG benchmark. Thank you for watching.